Hello guys, this is from Brother Casey channel. I am Monish. I am the brother of Krishna Charan, and today I am going to show you our house and everything we are having. So now we will sleep and I will talk with you afterwards. Good morning guys. Now again I am going. Now I will show you our house. These are our all pets and animals. This is our farm. We are also having a farm near this. I mean beach. We are having some bamboo trees overall there, and we are having these all sheep. These are all our us, and we are having many mine, but we have closed our mine. And this is swimming pool, which my brother constructed for my birthday gift. And this is everything you know. Now I am going to show you our secret hiding base. Now we hide something here. We are having a barrel full of iron things. We are having a chest full of minerals. Wow, what a mineral! And we are having one chest full of wood and all the resources. And this is normal barrel. And now I show you everything we are having. Now we are having two doors. You can see anything you want. Yeah, I forgot to show you our chest, how rich we are. But actually, what we started the game like 8 7 days ago, but we are almost rich in this game. This is enough for a gamer. I am not a noob, but I am not a pro. I am the medium player, and this is our chest. We are having brewing stand, cauldron. Actually, we went on a tour and we lost ourselves. Then we bought these all brewing stand, etc., etc. And this is our third floor. We are having bed in each floor, and this you can see is our chest, and this is the lantern. And now I take you to the fourth floor. Here we are not we are having bed, and I give you the most big surprising thing of the day. Floor. We are having glass floor for taking rest, and we are having Indian flag, and we like glass floor because we can see everything we want. And this is the most exciting thing I have ever done in Minecraft till now. Just by mistake I broke some ladder. Sorry guys. To deconstruct this also, but I will deconstruct it afterwards. I'll show you my watchtower. This is my watchtower. It's made full of glass. It's best the watchtower. It's best watchtower. We can do anything we want here. We can sleep. We can watch anything. We can see almost the whole Minecraft map near us. And now I am going to show you something very amazing. Even though we fall down, we will live. I think so. Yeah, we will live. Oh my goodness! I was just going to fall. Oh, this is one of the amazing surprises of the day. See, you can clearly see the whole village from here. That is our village. We are the owners of this village. We are the owners of this desert. We are owners of this whole sea. We are owners of whole Minecraft. See this. This was one of the surprises I want to show you. This is the birthday gift my brother is giving to me. My brother is upgrading this now. It's half complete, but I will show you afterwards. He is covering it with white wool, so you can know by this how rich we are in this game. We are having white wool. We are having so many pets. It's just enough for a guy who is playing from 7 to 8 days. So guys, now I showed a whole tour of my house, and I am going to show you some more things. We are having an armor stand also. What the heck this pig is doing here? Get lost. In the glass floor, I forgot to show you what is in the glass floor. Actually, our house consists of 6 floors, 6 floors, and one of the floor is extra floor is watchtower. And I forgot to show you this thing. Oh my God, guys, see this. This is armor stand with iron. We are equipped with all the iron we have. We are having 10 iron blocks and we are very rich. And we can show you how you can see how it's. We are having everything you can dream of in Minecraft. Ha 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 ha. No, I am going to do some silly things. Bye, guys. So I showed you of my house and house tour, and it was nice to meet you guys. Next time I will mine something and I'll do something crazy because I am having this own mine. It's very good, and I would like you guys to like this video, subscribe and share. Thank you guys.